Welcome to reneenergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest innovations and insights in green energy, including cutting-edge developments like green hydrogen. Whether you're a sustainability veteran or just beginning your journey, we have something for everyone. Join us on this channel to explore inspiring projects for a sustainable tomorrow. We bring you the latest in renewable energy, sustainability, and cutting-edge technologies. And don't forget, for more in-depth information and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and exclusive content.
Everyone's talking about green hydrogen like it's already arrived. The holy grail of decarbonization, the missing link in the energy transition, the clean molecule that will fuel planes, ships, steel plants, and entire nations. But while most headlines talk about the promise, they skip over the reality. Green hydrogen isn't just water and electricity. It's a multi-layered technological ecosystem. And the true innovation lies in what happens behind the scenes. In 2025, the world is moving from hydrogen hype to hydrogen infrastructure. Projects are being funded. Electrolyzer factories are scaling. Policies are being passed in Europe, India, Australia, and the Middle East. But what most people don't realize is that the real breakthroughs, the ones that will determine whether green hydrogen succeeds or stalls, are happening in areas you rarely hear about. That includes materials science, artificial intelligence, predictive plant control, nanotech for storage, digital twins for design, and global digital systems for certification and traceability. Let's start with the heart of the green hydrogen production process, the electrolyzer. This is the device that splits water into hydrogen and oxygen using electricity. But here's the part no one talks about. Electrolyzers are not plug-and-play devices. They are complex machines that rely on rare materials, precise control systems, and different engineering designs depending on the use case. There are three main types: PEM, alkaline, and solid oxide. PEM, or proton exchange membrane. Systems are flexible and fast, but depend on rare earth metals like iridium and platinum, making them expensive and vulnerable to supply chain shocks. Alkaline systems are older and cheaper, but operate more like workhorses and struggle with variable energy input from renewables. Solid oxide electrolyzers can achieve high efficiency by operating at over 800 degrees Celsius, often using industrial waste heat, but that makes them incredibly sensitive and harder to scale. But even that only scratches the surface. Each of these electrolyzers degrades over time. Their membranes can clog, overheat, or develop microtears. Voltage must be carefully regulated to avoid catastrophic failure. That's why major players in the space are now layering on predictive maintenance systems and adaptive controllers, many of which are powered by AI, to keep these machines running smoothly. And yet most of these systems operate entirely in the background. They're invisible to the end user, but they determine the efficiency, uptime, and viability of a hydrogen production plant. Before any electrolyzer is even installed, developers are now using what are known as digital twins, virtual replicas of hydrogen plants designed in software to simulate performance, detect design flaws, and optimize plant layout. These twins can simulate thousands of operational scenarios: what happens when the wind drops for 24 hours, how temperature shifts affect water purity, or how different power load combinations impact cost and output. This isn't just a bonus feature. It's becoming industry standard. Without a digital twin, you're flying blind on investment risk, grid integration challenges, and long-term asset degradation. Then there's the operational intelligence layer. In cutting-edge hydrogen hubs in Germany, Japan, and the UAE, artificial intelligence isn't just monitoring the system. It's making real-time decisions. Machine learning algorithms process sensor data across electrolyzer stacks, predicting flow rates, membrane health, and voltage fluctuations. Reinforcement learning is used to optimize startup sequences, stabilize output, and maximize efficiency during power intermittency. These AI systems are constantly learning, adjusting operational protocols hour by hour to increase performance and reduce cost per kilogram of hydrogen produced. Now you've made the hydrogen, but where do you put it? That's where the next layer of innovation appears. Hydrogen is incredibly difficult to store. It's the smallest molecule in the universe and highly flammable. Storing it requires high-pressure tanks, cryogenic temperatures, or chemical carriers. This has driven a new generation of technology, nanomaterial coatings for tanks, new alloys for pipeline compatibility, and entirely new chemical methods like LOHCs, liquid organic hydrogen carriers, which allow hydrogen to be absorbed and released chemically. Ammonia, another promising hydrogen carrier, is gaining traction because of its existing transport infrastructure. But converting hydrogen to ammonia and back requires energy and catalysts. Yet another layer of tech that few people ever hear about. Transport is no easier. Pipelines are being developed, but they must be coated, pressurized, and leak-proofed with extreme precision. In many parts of the world, hydrogen will be moved by trucks or ships, and that requires cryogenic liquefaction or carrier conversion. All of this creates enormous technical challenges, but also enormous opportunities for those developing solutions. Let's talk certification. One of the most overlooked pieces of green hydrogen is proving that it's green. That means tracing the electrons used to produce it, verifying the source of energy, the emissions involved in the production process, and the overall carbon intensity of the system. Enter guarantees of origin, blockchain-backed registries, and smart certification systems. These systems aren't optional. They are quickly becoming regulatory requirements in Europe and other major markets. Every kilogram of hydrogen could soon carry a digital passport showing when, where, and how it was produced, and whether it qualifies for government subsidies, export contracts, or carbon markets. What we're really talking about is a molecule wrapped in a digital and physical infrastructure. And that infrastructure is as much about smart data and advanced control as it is about clean energy. The tech stack behind green hydrogen includes AI, sensors, blockchain, chemical engineering, and thermal physics. It involves cloud simulation, remote telemetry, cybersecurity, and grid integration. And the people who understand that are the ones shaping where this market goes next. So if you're serious about green hydrogen, whether you're a startup founder, an engineer, a policymaker, a sustainability consultant, or an impact investor, understanding the deeper tech isn't a luxury, it's your competitive edge. Because when this market moves, it's going to move fast. And the ones who thrive will be those who prepared early, not just with ideas, but with frameworks, models, and tools. And that's where we want to help. If this video resonated with you, if you're not just curious about hydrogen but committed to mastering it, now is the time. We invite you to enroll in the Green Hydrogen Project Development and Financing course today at reneenergy.com. This course is designed to walk you through the full life cycle of green hydrogen project development, from feasibility and permitting to financing and risk mitigation. It includes practical modules, case insights, downloadable tools, and templates to help you apply what you learn. Whether you're entering the field, supporting clients, or scaling your knowledge, the course provides a structured foundation you can use right away. Don't just follow the hydrogen revolution. Equip yourself to build it, confidently, practically, and with purpose.
Thanks for tuning into the reneenergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening and motivating. There's a world of innovation and opportunity in sustainable energy, and we're delighted to share this journey with you. Stay in the loop with the latest on renewable energy and sustainability by visiting our website and subscribing to our newsletter. Your support is immensely appreciated, it's truly invaluable to us. Don't miss our next video on new trends in renewable energy. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share for more green insights. Thanks for watching.